Hey guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we have the iPhone SE 2022 edition and comparing the video recording quality against the iPhone 12 mini. Follow me around, let's move and see if there are any differences in the main cameras on both phones that are capable of 4K video recording. Let's also move a bit around, see. So it's about sunset now. So this is the kind of quality you can expect from the iPhone SE 2022 and the iPhone 12 mini. Thanks for watching. And this is low light nighttime video recording on the iPhone SE 2022 versus the iPhone 12 mini. You can see some difference. I'm just walking with both phones in my hand. This is the kind of stabilization that you get, especially here in those more shadowy areas. You can see how the iPhone 12 mini does a much better job. And of course you also get a slightly wider view on the 12 mini, while the SE looks a bit narrower.